everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 21st to the 25th of March 2022 on Monday. Funani and Nigiwe agree they have a connection but risk being caught. Nkosi's lie leads to a potential shocking decision. Despite Dorothy's swearing off men, Molefe wants to win her back on Tuesday. Isaac is heartbroken, or Faith is heartbroken. She seeks advice from Isaac. Les lent Mampo a shoulder to cry on and also nudges a conflicted Nkosi into doing the right thing. Molefe pens a heartfelt love letter to Dorothy on Wednesday. Nkosi hatches a plan to get rid of Mampo. Lazarus comes through for Mampo with some timely advice. Dorothy is moved by Molefe's love letter on Thursday. Funani and Faith find themselves at a dangerous crossroad in their marriage. Nkosi find Mampo may be more bite than bark. Molefe goes all in on his quest to win Dorothy back on Friday. Faith reconciled with Funani but at a price. Molefe gets the answer she wants or he wants from Dorothy, but that creates a new problem. Shoki and Nkosi reconciles again. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.